What's good, YouTube? Hope you guys having a blessed day today. So as you can see by the title, today I'll officially like to start a new series called Rough Cut Friday. Rough Cut Friday. Basically, the idea is to give you guys a video that's not really post produced, really rough, raw. You feel me? Just to give y'all the sense. And I'm gonna be going over some breakdowns, some behind the scenes of what I do. So that's basically the gist of where I'm going with this. So basically, what I'm doing right now, working on some customs. Make sure you guys tune in tomorrow because I will be dropping them. And one thing I noticed while doing more customs, it's good to have fun when you're doing things like this because, these past two customs is the custom now and the custom I did, which was the Tupac inspired customs. I really had a lot of fun making the Tupac ones. I tried different things, different methods. That's what you guys got to do. You guys got to have fun, like no matter what. Like I know you guys want to like grow, you guys want to build more, but the key to it is just have fun. Trust me. Hey, I'm not cutting that, but just trust me. Just have fun when you're doing this. And versus the Tupac one and the one I'm doing now, I think I'm having, I don't know, between the both I'm having fun on both of them, but this one I got to show you guys, just trust me, like it's gonna be nice. So anyways, Rough Cut Fridays, what do I want to talk about? Basically, some things that have been running through my mind is like really this week has been really busy for me because I'm in school, this, and client work, getting back with clients, keeping up with it. And it's a process. You feel me? You always gotta take baby steps when you're doing stuff like this. But one thing that just came to mind is like time management, how to better manage my time. I don't write down what I'm gonna do. I don't write down a schedule. I just like keep a mental note of like being conscious and being aware of my time. For example, dang, my arms are getting tired. But but anyways, like for example, like if I'm on Instagram, like I gotta be consciously aware like how much time I'm spending on Instagram, how much time I'm spending on Snapchat, how much time I'm spending in general. And just keep a conscious awareness of how much time I'm spending on where and where. Because at the end of the day, I want to look back and say, wow, like today was a very productive day. Today I got a lot of things done. You feel me? I use my time wisely instead of like spending 4 hours on Instagram or 4 hours on this and that. You feel me? That's why I use the screen. Can't remember the name of the app on the iPhone, but it tells you how much time you're spending here, how much time you spending there. But anyways, that was just a little bit. I'm gonna cut this video short. So welcome to Rough Cut Friday. Be expecting these each Friday. I love you guys. Be easy.